collision course with the Milky Way. Every second Andromeda is moving closer to us, about 68 miles per second. That means with every heartbeat, the distance between our galaxies shrinks just a little more. It's not a maybe, it's a cosmic certainty. Scientists predict that in about 4 billion years Andromeda and the Milky Way will collide. Not like a violent explosion though. Because space is so vast and stars are so far apart, most will simply drift past one another, dancing through gravity's pull. It's more of a slow-motion ballet than a demolition derby. Over time, this celestial interaction will stretch, twist, and eventually merge both galaxies into a brand new formation, Milkomeda or Milkdromeda, as some astronomers playfully call it. Earth might survive, the sun might still shine, but the night sky will change forever. If future humans or civilizations exist then, they'll look up and see skies ablaze with stars from both galaxies. It's wild to think that something as stable and constant as our galaxy is part of a much bigger story, one that's still unfolding. Our peaceful skies today? They're the calm before a magnificent billion-year storm.